Hey guys, welcome to another video. Tonight we are going to try and do a quick repair on my girlfriend's E90 BMW. There's an issue where the engine lights come up and I've put the scan tool on it and it's reading as a cam angle sensor fault. I have been doing a little bit of reading and it says that a common problem with the E90s, especially in the 320i, is the Venos sensors. And yeah, they apparently, if you clean them, yeah, it can fix the cam angle sensor problem because they interfere or something. I'm not too sure, so it's worth a try. I mean, it costs me nothing. I've just got to pull them out, give them a good clean, and then yeah, go from there, I guess. So I'll show you them. So I don't know how well you can see. Yeah, so it's these two sensors here. They just come out, 10mm bolt there and a 10mm bolt there. They just pull out and we can clean them up. So I just got to remove the air filter cover and everything to get to them, and it should be right to get out. Yeah, so I bought some mass airflow cleaner. Apparently that works really well. Doesn't leave residue behind or anything, so that's good. So I'm gonna get to pulling them out, and then yeah, we'll see what condition they're in, give them a good clean up and put them back in, and hopefully, you never know, that might get rid of the engine light. Save me a bit of money anyway, but oh well, we'll give it a try. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see me there, it looks like it. We've just got to take off this cover here, the air induction cover. It's just 2 screws there, and we'll get that off. And then yeah, we'll get to the rest, so stay tuned, enjoy this time lapse, I guess.
Make me feel like home. You turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go into the light. I feel the calming energy.
Alright, so as you can see there, we got them out. Wasn't too hard actually. At the end there, I just had to get a screwdriver underneath where they plug in and just give it a light little lever against it, and yeah, they came out pretty easy. So I'll show you here. Oh, sorry about that light. So this is the Venos sensor. So basically what we're going to do is just get the spray and in all those little holes in the end and everything, just give them a real good clean up. And then we're going to switch them. So that was the top one. We're going to put the top one in the bottom in the top. Apparently that can temporarily fix it. As I said, this is all just temporary fixes for now. I am going to order 2 new ones, but until they get here, I thought this cost me nothing, so why not give it a try? So yeah, we'll give them a clean out and start putting them back in, I guess, and we'll see if the engine light goes out or not. Alright, so we're just going to spray all inside these holes just here. Give it a general clean and then we'll spray down, but I've got some mass airflow sensor.
I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to help me set me free. I'm calling for you.
So that's all back together now. They're all plugged back in, tightened down and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go upstairs. No, it's actually in the car, awesome. Gonna put the scan tool on it, erase all the codes and everything. And then after that, start the car, let it run for a minute or two and see if it comes back up, I guess. Worst kind of scenario, it does, and this didn't help at all, which is what I'm expecting. I think they're too far gone. But as I said, it was free. No harm in trying, I guess, so yeah. So we just take this off, pull the safety cap out, I guess it's called. Plug in the scan tool. Turn the car to on. I don't think you guys can see that, but it's asking for codes at the moment. Turn the aircon off. There we go, camshaft position sensor A, which is a common issue for the Venos sensors to trip that, so yeah. Well, we will erase code. Are you sure you want to erase? Yes. Enter. So that's just erasing the codes now. The engine light's still going to show up, I know, because of the fuel issue I have at the moment. So that's saying it's all done. Plug all that back out. So we're just going to sit here for a little bit and just see if the other engine light comes up. This one's showing the fuel, a low pressure fuel sensor. So yeah, as I said, I know about that one. I'm waiting for the engine light up here to come up because that's normally the one for the camshaft from what I've figured out. So yeah, I'll let it run for a minute and I'll see what happens. So, I don't want to talk too soon, but both the engine lights are gone now, so I don't know, that's weird to me actually. They may be hiding. We'll have a look here. Wrong menu. This menu, so we'll check the car. It's saying check OK, which means there's no engine problems that the computer's picking up. That's weird. So yeah, sorry about the lighting, guys. I've got the lights here with me, just so I can see it as night time. But yeah, I'm gonna say right now it was a success cleaning those Venos sensors. It's strange to think that those sensors can have such an effect on the car, but what do I know? I'm not used to this new car stuff. Normally used to working on Commodores and older stuff, so this whole new car thing's a new thing to me. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Probably in the next video you'll find out if it worked or not, but so far it's looking good. So if you guys could like the video, subscribe and click the little bell icon, that's for notifications for when I upload. That would be much appreciated. Comment down below if there's any problems with the video, if you've got any suggestions on content actually I can make. Running a bit dry at the moment, I'm struggling to make a few videos, but we're gonna get there in the end. We're gonna really try hard to make more videos. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you next time.